Guys, we're jumping right into Guam. They don't have much. They don't show anything. Castle doctrine, no law, no registration. Right to carry in restaurants, complete ban. Shall issue to carry. It doesn't even have this section where it had before on the different stuff. So go down here. It's recognizing states. Nobody recognizes Guam at all. That's it. There's not much. It doesn't say much. I would have to say you probably doesn't really show much information. You can get a permit, it says, right to carry. Right to carry, keep, no provisions. So I don't even know if you can carry anything in that state. You might be able to, but it doesn't really show much. I'll have to research a little further on that and see what I can find on that. Let's see. Yeah, I checked on that. Yeah, you can get a permit, but it's all registration. You got to register it. It's pretty restrictive laws here. You have to register it no matter what you get. So you can't get a permit in that state. It's just very hard to get it. You can see when you see this, you know it's a bogus state. But thanks a lot for looking at that. The Guam is a big one. They have another page where you could go to, and I went to it. It's right here. Let me show you this page here. Guam. And it has a lot of stuff about it right here. See? It has some stuff about, you can pause this if you want to look and see. You have to get this firearms ID card. Any person receiving a gift or otherwise income to permit or blah blah shall register it. So it's registration. And it's a whole big shit here. Look at there's a whole article on this. Enough shit? It's like one of them states you do not want to go to. Jesus Christ. It's such a pain in the ass. I'm going to keep going. But you see how much is on that? There's just a lot of that. And you can actually check it on the internet. It has a lot of information, shows you. But that's Guam. Thanks.